Imagine a world where writing was a cumbersome task, done solely by hand. In 1868, Christopher Latham Scholes invented the typewriter, a revolutionary device that transformed the written word. Initially met with skepticism, it quickly gained popularity, especially among clerks and writers. The typewriter democratized writing, allowing anyone to create legible documents swiftly. It also sparked the rise of typing schools and opened job opportunities for women, who became the backbone of the typing profession. This invention not only increased productivity, but also altered how people communicated, setting the stage for future innovations in written expression and office work.